Punctuality is a very important aspect of life. It is not only about the time that we arrive, but also how we should be punctual with what we say and do. Punctuality also relates to how we behave towards others. Being punctual means that we need to know when to be on time, and getting there at the right time should be a priority for us. Punctuality is a complex issue due to a number of factors. It is associated with the idea of time and morality, as well as social etiquette. The first factor, time, has a large impact on punctuality because it can be considered an abstract concept that is not always concretely defined. As such, it's difficult to measure how close someone is to being punctual just by looking at their clock or checking what time they arrive at a meeting or appointment. Punctual is the act of being on time. Punctuality is a strong virtue to have. It can be given as an example of reliability. If you are not punctual, then it could cause many problems and insecurities with yourself and others in the future. Punctuality is seen as a value that people cannot live without. Punctuality is about how individuals act in relation to scheduled events, or deadlines. It can be described as meeting obligations in a timely manner. Punctual is often thought of in contrast with tardiness, which is chronically late for scheduled events. This can be seen when it is pointed out that the late person is often characterized with lateness rather than punctuality. A punctual individual is someone who always arrives on time to a meeting or appointment. This person has a strong sense of responsibility and follows through with tasks. They do not procrastinate on tasks and put the productive qualities of the time they have on this earth to good use. A punctual individual will also hold others accountable for their actions by reminding them of when an event is happening and what needs to be done, which will lead to more productivity. Punctual is the act of being on time, or at least no later than 5 minutes late. Punctuality is also an important factor for employers looking to hire people who are dependable, organized, and can work without supervision.